Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a premium vector like FreePic vectors. Somebody asked me to show, so here I am going to show you how to make a vector. So as I am not an artist, I cannot draw from my imagination. So here I downloaded a picture from, you can find it here, like pngfuel.com. So I take this image from here and this one from here, then I draw them the fish here. So I make them like something like this. First of all is you need to make some outlines of your image. Just draw something whatever you can see, and that is how you will get an outline. And after that, use your shape builder to erase the unnecessary parts. That will be easy, not very easy. It takes a long time because there is a lot of details. As you can see, here is the outline of my image. Then I try to add some color, something like that, with my light pen tool. So I am not going to show you the whole process, I am just going to show you the result here. So this is the result of my drawing. I made two versions. You can see one is very detailed here with some shadow and texture, but as I am not an artist, these are not very good looking, but still my work will be done with that. So you can see here I made another version, and this is only black and white. Okay, maybe here is some problem, I have to fix this. So for that I'm just going to select anything, like picking my eyedropper tool, sorry for that, picking my eyedropper to select this color as fill. Now I am going to use my pen tool here, something like this will work for me. Okay, it's really takes some times to make this kind of designs. Now I am just going to show you just some little details. I could have added that, but just to show you how to make this kind of designs. You can see these are just some random lines I am drawing with my mouse here. I am not using my graphic tablet. Okay, just to make that something kind of this fill of this original fish here. Okay, now this is my design is ready. I took a image as a reference and another one to make a complete design here, like a man is fishing, and I am just going to make a quick design for this. As you can see, this is a complete vector file, and for this version here, when I made a detailed version, I kept that strokes as small as possible, as I don't wanted them to be too much visible. But for this one here, when I am using black and white color, I just kept them, you can see, like a bit bigger, so that these details could be visible. Now if I just want to make a one color design here, I can simply take out those, like I have to make them a group here first. If I double click here, then I can select my magic wand tool to select the white colors from the design. You can see the white is now selected. If I just cut it, now my design has no white color, as this is a complete vector file. I didn't erase this one, so that was easy for me to take out those white colors from here. Anyway, I'm just going to show you a quick video about this, just something like maybe some text effect with this one here. Okay, so this is my fishing. I'm going to use a cool kind of font here. I like this kind of fonts when I am using some graphics here. So this is now a group here. I just want to make a ellipse here, something like this maybe, but not that much bigger, in a stroke mode of course, selecting them two, aligning together, something like this, or maybe this kind of, keeping that one a bit bigger, then making copy and paste in front to make another copy for that. And now this one will be a bit bigger than my previous one. I am going to just place them something like this, but I want their middle to be like in this area. Okay, that will be okay for me. Now I am selecting my direct selection tool to erase these lower parts. I can maybe use some, okay, let's just make some simple lines here.
I'm just drawing some straight lines, but not that much big, as I just want this to be a
Maybe a bit bigger. Yeah, that is good for me. Just something like this. I want to make some like water effect here, so that's why I am taking that, making them something like this. Now I want to select my this one and using my shape builder to erase this extra parts. Now I don't want this part to be selected, only these ones, these lines. I'm using some effect here to make those like kind of wave like shapes, not that one. Smooth, I need some smooth lines. Yeah, but I need to make them a bit something like this. This will work for me. Okay, now I need to check that if there is any missing parts, like this one here is visible, so I just want to fix that. Now this is just I am making to put my design in something like this one here, so I want this to be something like this maybe. Okay, as you can see, this is now looking like my fish, and that man is in water. So I am going to select them both, making a offset path here, maybe a bit bigger in size. Yeah, that will be good for me. Now I am merging them and uniting them to make a single shape. Now cut that one. Now I have to select all of this. Now not this text, not this one, or not my fish group. So these waves and these ellipse are in selected. Now grouping them, I am about to use transparency, so paste in front. As you can see, those are now, these areas now looking like this cutout effect here, but still I can see here is some problem, like when I pasted that fish image here, that has some, this area was not filled. So I can simply use my pen tool here to make them like this is being cut out from these areas, not there, this total area, something like this. And now of course I need my these lines to be visible, so I am going to make it something like this, maybe this kind of here. I am just making some rough lines just to give it a feel like this is, just to make them visible. Okay, now you can see my design is completely visible on this background. So I am just going to make a very simple design here, not very much. As you can see, my design will be fishing grandpa, not too much fancy, just breaking them. I need to make this font, this one a bit. Okay, this is, let me just copy them. I don't have that much time to change the colors of the layer, So I'm just going to make it a bit bigger in this two area so that I can place my grandpa text inside this area. Okay, something like this. Not, no, sorry, I don't like this one. I need to fix them. So I'm selecting this, making like something like this, expanding them. Now maybe this grandpa text here, something like this, but I want this as this is a 3D looking vector, not a flat silhouette image. So I am going to make this text looking like something 3D. So for that one, here you need to put some attention. Here I am copying this one, Ctrl C, and pasting that in back, Ctrl B. As you can see, now I have two different layers. Let me just change the color here to understand better. Okay, you can see now one is black, one is red. Now I'm selecting my black one again, copy and paste in back, Ctrl B. As you can see, I have another layer. Let me just change the color. Okay, now this is my three layer. Black is original and this two is behind. So if I just select this two here, this white and red layer here, and choose my, this pathfinder tool, press alt and click here to minus front. Now you can see my blue layer is gone, and if I just expand it, okay, now I have a 3D looking text here. I can simply change this color to black again, as this is a complete black and white design. So we can do that same here, copy and paste in back. Now selecting the first color here, copy and paste in back, something like this. Now selecting these two color using minus front. Okay, this is now good. Okay, so this is my final design, fishing grandpa. That is, I could have made another design like with some text and something else, but I just wanted to make a design from that vector. It takes me almost 1 hour and 10 to 15 minutes to make that fish drawing. So you can see this is how to make premium vectors or premium designs from. If you are an artist, then you can simply make this with any kind of like mouse or graphic tablet, but if you are not an artist, then you need reference images like me. So this is because okay, all of this is done with mouse. So thank you everyone for being here. See you in the next video. Have a great time. Thank you. Okay, I made some mistake here. I need to go back like this one here, these whites. Okay, so this is the final design. I hope you like this one. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Thank you.